This is a video showing the movement and actuation of subassemblies of the Pillarhouse Jade. We've taken the covers off of the system to allow you to see inside. It's the flux model right there. PC, control units. You can see right now the fountain is working. It's called a jet nozzle. Camera. We'll show the camera working here in a minute. And this is the flux unit. It has a cap on it. Take a look at it. So what we're doing is we're just putting the rule over the camera. Why don't you go ahead and move that a little bit. There we go. Very good resolution. Easy to program and locate your board. What you're looking for in this unit is a quiet impeller. That impeller is very quiet. We did some work on it. That's one of the things that we refurbished on the system. Just a little bit of time. One other feature over here that should be pointed out is this is the automated solder dispensing. It comes on a reel, and as you use solder, it will dispense solder into the pot. That is the pot right there. Let's move the positioning system. Let's see it begin to move. Very quiet. Bring up the Z. Good. Alright, and that is just a video demonstration of all axes working.